What's up guys, I hope you all are doing well. It's your girl aka you all are welcome, and today I'm going to be doing this easy high puff on my dry natural stubborn hair, as I call it guys. So I am having a headache, but thanks to God it's an easy hairstyle. So after taking this mini braids that I've been having for some days now after my wash day, so guys, I'm using my white tooth comb to detangle my hair. So this is the most important part. You need to detangle your hair thoroughly. This really took me some time.
You go every corner twice as bright. They'll be my treasures forever. When I can't hold you tight, I'll see the Stockholm lights.
So when I'm done, I go in with my Ecostyler gel. And I apply it at the perimeter of my hair. Guys, I really use a generous amount to get this hair intact. So this is an easy hairstyle that you can do for like 15 minutes or 30 minutes. It's a really easy style guys. If you're in a haze or you don't want to look all bushy or you don't have a wig, you can just get an Ecostyler gel and you style your hair and find your way.
And if it's not enough, I wanna see the stuff the world has got in store. I wanna take it all.
So guys, as we are watching and going, don't forget to subscribe to the channel. Yay!
They'll be my treasures forever. When I can't hold you tight, I'll see the Stockholm lights. The Stockholm lights, the Stockholm lights.
Guys, if you are not satisfied with the sleek nature, you can go in with your got-to-be glue or the spray. There's also the Gorilla glue that you can use. When I'm through, I go in with my Denman brush and I brush my hair. You can get this brush in your local beauty supply store.
The Stockholm lights, the Stockholm lights, the Stockholm lights. The Stockholm lights.
I'm done, I go in with my elastic rope. But guys, worry not, if you don't have it, you can go in with your shoelace of any type. So you just wrap tightly and you push up gently.
We were traveling mountains just to find the loudest tease. We said down by the fire, knowing we could aim higher, but we didn't know that yet. So if you want something to hold on to, gotta find it first. But here I am, beside me laying under palm trees, waiting for the summer.
I didn't have it, so you can use your afro comb to get a little bit of puff. And that's it guys. You can go to your work or for a stroll. Very simple, but for somebody like us that like a little bit of extra things. So that's when I'm done. I go with my Shine and Jam gel for my edges to slick down my edges. I was happy I found this in my local beauty supply store. I mentioned this in my previous video when I was doing the knotless box braids. The link will be in the description box below. Make sure you check that video guys. Your girl is not really good at doing edges, but Your girl got to do something.
Memories die out too hard. We were traveling the mountains just to find the loudest tears. We sat down by the fire, knowing we could aim higher, but we didn't know that yet. So if you want something to hold on to, gotta find it first. But here I am, 'cause I've been laying under palm trees, waiting for the summer, knowing there's nowhere to go. 'Cause I am happy on this island, wanna be my farmland, I don't ever want to leave.
And when I'm done, I go in with this satin head wrap just to give me that strong hold. So guys, there is no specific hours that you can have it. Some people can have it overnight, some for 45 minutes, so it depends on you. So I had this and I was going about with my activities. And when I'm done, guys, I wasn't really in the mood to do a video and everything, so that was the final look. I was happy with the result because my hair texture is really something else. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and don't forget to give your girl a thumbs up and comment down below what you think about the hairstyle, and also subscribe to my channel for more upcoming videos. Love you.